Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to unpair and factory reset the Meta AI glass. So if you look at this, here's my app. I go in the app. So currently I have this glass paired. Okay, it says not connected because it's in my case. Just to show you, it connects once I open. Okay, I take it out and open. Okay, now the glass is connected, as you can see. So now in order to do the factory reset, what I do is first let me fold this and put it in the case back. Okay, and then go here in the setting. Select your glass, and then here you go to the general and then unpair glass, unpair, and then done. Okay, so once it's done, then what you do is you go to your Bluetooth right here, and then look for your Meta Ray-Ban glass, and then forget this device. Okay, now after you done both, then what you do is you can open and take this glass out, and you can open one arm. Okay, so open both arm, so the light blinks. Then what you do is you press this one 5 times. 1 2 3 4 5. Then the orange light appears. Then once you see the orange, please press and hold for a few seconds until it blink different lights. Okay, now it's blinking. Now it's in a factory reset mode, so we have to just wait until this one finish and turn into blue color. So I'm just gonna hold and wait. So it's currently fully resetting. It might take like even 1 minute, so you need to have patience. Once it blink these back and forth, and then I think first the green light appears and then blue. Once it blue, it's in pairing mode, so it means it's completely wiped out and it's ready to pair with any new phones or any other. If you are selling, this is what you have to do. You have to just completely unpair and sell it to someone. Okay, now it's fully reset. It's just blinking the white light now. You know it's ready to pair once it turns blue, so you have to just be patient and wait till that. Okay, so now it's turned green and blue. So if I go to my Meta AI app, and I close this one. Currently nothing paired. It automatically pops up because it's in pairing mode. It's turning blue, so it's in a pair mode. So if I connect, it's gonna just connect. Pair. Now it's connected. Okay, just skip and so on. So just you have to just do the setup, and that's it. That's it for this video. I hope you guys found this video helpful. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe my channel. See you guys on my next video.